StraightTalk is everything you need in a cell phone without an annual contract. You can get anything that you can get on any phone, but you don't have to have an annual contract to use it.
When I've been using it out on the lake, it's been really great. Every place we've been so far, I've had great signal. Hasn't let me down yet.
As a family, I'll be saving over $100, $150 a month using StraightTalk.
Most of the cell phone companies out there are 80, 100 bucks a month. You can get everything you need with StraightTalk for 45 bucks. It's all the cell phone you need without a contract.